You've got a very, very small computer. I mean, it's got the footprint of a credit card. It costs $35 individually, and it right now is at least the best-selling computer in England. And the reason for that is because they're giving one of these to every single child in the British system. So I think it's pretty cool. Designed by Eben Upton, one of the things that he recognized as he was teaching in college is that people were arriving with fewer and fewer skills in programming and actual computer use. And so he wanted to design something that would mimic actual computer use, not just application use on machines. So it runs on a Linux-based operating system, very, very small power draw of 1.21 watts. And these pins right here, these general purpose input-output pins, GPIOs, these are things that you can use to take power from and give signals to the Raspberry Pi. So we'll be making use of those a little bit later on. Big improvement over the previous. You've got 4 USB ports, whereas previously on the Model B you only had 2. You have an HDMI output. So one of the things that we're actually really happy here is the monitors that we're working with today would have an HDMI input. Most of the time when we do this, we're working with monitors that either accept only VGA input or a DVI input. And so we bought cables that allow us to use the DVI input on these monitors. So that's what we're set up to do today. It's got a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, micro USB for power. So the same thing that if you're powering an Android phone, that's the same power cord that you can use. And so it's pretty versatile in how you can set these things up, and Ethernet plug-in.